mud down the hill. And they didn't tip over and didn't crash on the ground. So you want to get out of here. If it's a really big project, get down, maybe you can see me better. A real big project, you can just take it out of the wheelbarrow and just put it on that way. You can also dump it into a trough, and that's lower. It's easier to kind of move. Again, it's just what you're most comfortable with. I'm going to use the wheelbarrow, but I wanted to show you that the mixing tubs are a great way to just dump things in. Have a lower access point to put it onto your rock work if, again, you're not, trying to do it out commercially or whatever. We usually use 5-gallon buckets because we can carry them around quickly and just do our thing. So I'm going to move these and we'll get the wheelbarrow up close and personal. And we'll just be lifting it right out of it. Move my trowels over a tiny bit. If you shovel it in, you're going to run the risk of getting it close to my rock there. You run the risk of putting a lot more material, messing up this little guy right here. The rock is made out of dirt, remember? So obviously on the top flat parts, you can just tap it in there. I know I'm only making it this thick, right? That's sort of the thing you want to keep in mind. Start at the bottom. Again, that angle of repose is such that this is not too big a problem. I learned from sand sculpting that as you're putting sand on, you press it down. I'm doing the same thing with this. Right now there's about 1 inch there. The bottom needs to be thicker than the top a little bit because it's going to be carrying the lateral and the vertical, I should say, loads of material that's going up this pitch, this angle right here, right? Now, good thing is, the minute you put it on here, I didn't spray it with water, so the dirt will begin to pull out the moisture in the mud and stiffen it. Thumb down as I'm packing it in, remember? And I'm looking at it. I can see this angle that it's 1 inch thick, about, maybe 3/4. Right now I have 3 60-pound bags, so it's 180 pounds. Again, I'm pushing it down with my thumb on the top as I'm working. Now I'm watching how fast I'm using up material, and we're going to get a lot of mileage out of just 3 bags, 3 60-pound bags of concrete. Around the bottom a little thicker, that's okay. Hand working it in, pressing it down from the top. My hand pushes in sideways, the thumb pushes down from the top. To make it so you guys can see it, I'm using my left hand for this video. Concrete is absolutely amazing stuff. It's very inexpensive, pound for pound for sure. It's very, very durable. All right, looks pretty good coming back at it after we blew it out. This is a total of 3 60-pound bags. I'll get my little cushion out of the way. And really came out pretty nice, I would say. And it's just like, an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. So super easy, fast, making rocks with dirt. Okay, we've made a rock here, our little dirt rock. Once you get it done and it's firm enough, you can come back and just scrape it a little bit or brush it with one of these kind of brushes and just hit it right on those panels. Come on up straight.